Salamat, Iga. Now is the time para magpasikat ng ating mga amazing sirkero ng The Great American Circus.
Ito na ko, Susie, ang kanilang promise.
Ayan.
Fun-filled gimmick for the whole family. Ngayong Kapaskuhan. Kaya heto na ang kanilang circus tricks. Ibibida sa atin yan ni na Monica and Drew na nagsisircus na rin.
Try nyo!
Hi, Drew!
Ang galing ni Drew. Ay, si Monica! Wow!
Asa na?
Alam mo, natutuwa naman ako dahil bilib na bilib ka naman talaga sa talento ko sa Miss Susie, no? Pero hindi ako talaga yan. Siyempre, ang nakikita niyo po ay ang mga performers or yung mga circus artists ng The Great American Circus. Ito po yung, siyempre, parang pamasko namin sa inyong mga kapuso. 3 days to go before Christmas at nandito tayo ngayon sa SMX Convention Center sa Pasay City to witness a couple of stunts. Medyo jaw-dropping stunts nga ng The Great American Circus.
Alam mo talaga hindi natin sila masisisi dahil nga since 1978 pa lang ginagawa na nila itong mga stunts na to. So that's like 32 years.
That's right.
Kaya naman talagang masters na sila pagdating sa mga stunts na yan.
Ayan. So kanina nakita natin yung tinatawag na Wheel of Death.
Yan yung akala ni Mami Sue, ikaw ang gumagawa.
Correct. Ayan si Enrique and Nathan Valencia nakasakay sa isang 30-foot human-powered wheel na, well, sila mismo manually nag-iikot nito. Tumatakbo, tumatalon, naglalakad. Parang mga hamster nga sila,
correct. Diba? And I heard isa daw to sa pinakamahirap na acrobatic skill. So kailangan talaga magaling ka para ma-pull off mo yung ganyang stunt.
That's right. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa mga crossbow masters. Ito, hindi ko na alam Alam ko,
napapaihi ka ba? Actually, ang gumagawa naman ito ay ang mag-asawang ayan, nakikita natin na circus artists. Mag-partner sila dyan at sa case to, ang ginagamit nila na target ay balloon. Pero minsan daw, pwede ring apple, pwede ring paper. Anong nangyari? Ang bilis, di ba? So, ayun, yung
tapos na?
Yes, ganun kabilis yung ang lalaki.
A few inches lang mula sa ulo niya.
Correct. Yun ang pumana doon sa lobo. At yun na, ganun kabilis.
Ayun, hinawakan ng mismong target. Tapos nun, bullseye. Wow,
correct.
Flawless. Medyo ilang years na din nilang ginagawa to.
32 years.
Very accurate, very precise ang kanilang performance, of course. Okay, punta naman tayo ngayon sa
Lyra in the Sky.
Lyra in the Sky.
So, ang Lyra actually, yun yung pangalan ng ring na kasuspend sa ere. At ayan, may isang acrobatic artist nga na paikot-ikot gamit yung Lyra. Diba? Napakahirap gawin, pero parang ang dalidag lang pag sila ang gumagawa.
Okay, punta naman natin ang mga, makukulit na clowns. Sila Steve and Ryan, mga classic American slapstick artists daw yung mga yan. Tulad nga nung sinabi mo, partner mo, kapag clown ka talaga or ganyan yung trabaho mo, kailangan makulit ka talaga by nature. Hindi, ito talaga, hindi ako sigurado matutuwa yung mga bata dito. Alam mo, parang The Three Stooges yung acts nila, diba?
Correct.
Kanina pa actually, kahit off-cam, talagang makulit yung
makulit
personalities
sila, oo. So it shows talaga.
That's right. Ayan.
Cute.
Okay, puntahan naman natin isang performer na Phil-Am. Akalain mo,
kasama ng team na ito, na Great American Circus.
Oh, isa siyang Filipino-American at tawagin na natin siya Marina Salonga. Okay, correct. Medyo Filipino po ang kanyang surname. Apo siya ng dating Senate President, si Jovito Salonga.
Yes,
good morning to you, Marina.
Very pretty. Here. Good morning, Marina.
Good morning. How are you doing? So, wait, you've lived in the States for all your life, almost all your life.
Almost all my life.
But you grew up. You were born here. You were born here.
Okay, so she is a Filipina.
She's a Filipina,
yes.
of course. You've been you've been on the road with the circus for how long now?
About a year and a half.
About a year and a half. And then besides that, you have other work, right? Is this like your fun time? Is this your hobby?
No, this is my main work. Yeah,
this is her main. Okay. Maria, what kind of stunts do you perform?
In this show, I do aerial. So I do the silks and the web, Spanish web.
Okay, and then how often do you guys practice for these stunts? I'm sure it should be every day. It should be like every hour, not every hour. But
Well, I try to train at least a few hours a day, but it's not necessarily always aerial. I do strength training and stretching and other acrobatics.
And then how early did you start in your life?
I started gymnastics when I was 4, and then I took dance from when I was 6 till now.
So it's no surprise kung ba't ganyan siya ka-sexy.
No, kanina nga, tinatanong ko sa kanya, hanggang kailan kayo dito? Sabi niya, actually, you know what, I still don't know. Apparently, we're going to Cebu after
you guys are going
this.
to Cebu.
So
Can I come with you guys?
I'm pretty fascinated with the lives of, circus artists, because you're just like, it's a carpe diem, like seize the day. You know? Like live for the moment, right? So, okay, after SMX, after Manila, you're going to Cebu, right?
When are you guys going to Cebu?
We're going January 8th through the 12th.
All right.
Right then.
Can I come with you guys?
Marina, you want to invite all Filipinos to watch you guys?
Yes, please come to our show. We had one day yesterday and it's been great. Everyone was great. The crowd was awesome. So thank you and keep coming.
All right. Thank you so much,
Thank
Marina.
you
Okay.
so much, Marina.
The Great American Circus from December 21 to January 4.
Dito yan, sa
Dito yan,
Manila.
sa SMX Convention
Yes, and sa
Center.
January 8 to 12, am I right? Yeah.
Sa Cebu.
Cebu naman.
Okay. Alright, mga kapuso, mula dito sa SMX Convention Center sa Pasay City. Balik muna tayo sa studio habang kinukulit tayo ng mga clowns.
Nung kahapon si Attorney Agas Drew. Tapos nung isang araw naman si Mami Sue and of course Susie. Abang ngayon magbibida ng kanilang signature dish. Walang iba kundi si Pia at ang kanyang mami na si Miss Kwati Arcangel. Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nako, tita, alam ko na kung saan nagmana si Pia ngayon. Ayan, beauty.
Ito na ako, 20 lang ha. 20 years from now. 20 years.
Ay, so, tita, ano po ba itong lulutuin natin today?
Ay, ito yung aming tinatawag na macaroni soup na tuwing Pasko at bagong taon lamang namin ginagawa.
Not anymore for the rest of the year. As in, Pasko na talaga?
It's really a Christmas dish for us. Even on the side of my husband, macaroni soup also.
Okay. Kaya pala kanina sinabi sa akin ni Pia nga masarap siya. Talaga inuubos niyo every Christmas. So, ano po ang mga kailangan nating ingredients? And what do we put in first?
Well, of course, this is the oil of the chorizo de Bilbao.
Oh, kaya pala
So earlier, I had already
drained it?
Yes, drained, and then afterwards I already cooked this, I fried it, and then I got the oil that we're going to put here. Now, there are a lot of versions to this. It depends on how conscious you are with your calories, cholesterol, etc.
Naku, wala tayong consciousness dito, tita.
Wala,
Sige,
okay.
Christmas.
Okay lang
Start
yan.
ordinary. Okay,
Yan,
we
mainit
start
na yung ating
cooking.
tubig.
Okay.
Tita, baka magulat ka sa kami lahat dito. Malakas kami kumain. So, lahat kami nag-aabang na sa lulutuin niya today.
Yes.
Sana, masarap.
Parang may tubig na ba yan? Mamaya, ayan.
Mamaya pa yung tubig.
Mamaya.
Oo nga pala.
Pia, ikaw nagluto ka with Mami Clotty.
Hinahanap ko na agad yung tubig. Actually, ganito talaga kami sa bahay.
Oo.
Ina-assist ko lang si Mami. Eh kasi syempre, 'di ba, meron din siyang sariling diskarte sa pagluto niyan.
Of course.
Pero actually, more often than not, taga-tikim lang kami.
Buti hindi ka alam. Buti sexy ka pa rin, ikaw, ha?
Ang sweet mo. Kaibigan talaga kita.
You're my friend. So, tita, pati yung mga apo mo na ano na to, they love this one. Si Mickey.
Yes, oo, yeah.
Gusto nila yung noodles,
Only
diba?
twice a year naman kasi that.
Twice a year. So, minsan nakakalimutan nila na ito pala yung kinakain namin tuwing Pasko.
Oh, so nagugulat sila every Christmas. Oh, masarap to. Ano to? Ayan. So, nilagyan na ni tita ng garlic at ng
sibuyas.
white, no? The white
Yes,
kind.
but
Okay.
you can also use the other kind.
The Pinoy, ano?
Yeah, and then this has
sibuyas.
already been boiled and then so we'll not put everything.
Luto na yung chicken natin.
Actually, alam mo rin,
Luto na
itong
rin ang
recipe
chicken.
na to, parang combination ng recipe ng mami ni mami tsaka mami ng daddy ko. So, pinaghalo niya.
There are two ways. My husband's side, they don't like the chorizo. So they use sausage.
Sausage talaga.
So pag yung daddy pala ni Pia nagluluto, walang chorizo.
And he's the one who cooks really. I just watch.
Pero masarap pag may chorizo, mas malasa, di ba?
Mas malasa,
Pwede ba yung kanin? May kanin ba tayo?
Pwede, macaroni soup. Tapos lagyan, para puro carbs,
Oo.
diba?
Kailangan ng energy, Mare. Kasi magsa-circus tayo.
Sige na.
Anong kailangan mo?
Tubig.
The water.
Okay.
Cold water. Tita, yung water ba kailangan maging malamig or okay lang?
Tap water, pero ice cold water ito. Pwede na.
Ice water. Ang lamig nga, no? Matagal bago maluto.
Yan.
Yeah.
Actually, very
Konti
simple lang, di ba?
Oo, very
Haluin
simple lang. So naluto na rin yan. So, we will wait for this.
Okay.
Tapos,
Just boil first before we put that.
Hindi pa tumakarami.
Kasi
Okay.
luto na eh.
Luto na rin to.
Oo.
So,
Oo.
basically, palagay-lagay na lang.
Palagay-lagay na. So, pre-cooked already.
So, how long does it take ba para magluto nito?
If everything is ready, 10 to 15 minutes, it's done. It's
tapos
over.
na.
Oo. Then you can have garlic bread to go with it or something to that effect.
So, tita, kailan niya po ba tuturuan si Pia magluto?
actually ngayon, alam ko na.
Pwede ka tayo magluto. Turuan mo na ako magluto.
Eto na.
Maraming salamat, Mami
Okay.
Clotting.
Okay.
Thank you. Babalikan natin si Tita Clotting, of course, Pia, sa ating pagbabalik dito po sa Unang Hirit.
Unang hirit, ang saya-saya. Sa unang hirit, unang hirit, unang hirit. Mangugulat ka. Unang hirit, unang-una ka. Balitang dapat na malaman. Impormasyon